Here's the truth. Vaseline isn't just some grandma skincare thing. It's literally one of the cheapest ways to look 10 times more attractive, instantly. You're about to learn 7 hacks that make your face glow, your lips smoother, your skin cleaner, and yeah, people will notice. Number 1. Lip Enhancer. Dry, cracked lips kill your face card. Dab a tiny bit of Vaseline on your lips, then rub it in with a warm cloth or toothbrush for 10 seconds. It exfoliates dead skin, leaves your lips smooth and healthy. Not shiny like gloss, just clean. Do this daily before bed or before you head out. Your face immediately looks fresher. Number 2. Fix tired eyes. The skin around your eyes is the thinnest part of your face. Before bed, take a rice-sized amount of Vaseline and gently pat it around your under eyes. It locks in moisture overnight and makes your eyes look awake in the morning. People will literally ask if you slept better. It's that subtle glow that changes everything. Number 3. Frizz control. If your hair looks dry or messy, take a tiny bit of Vaseline, rub it between your palms, and lightly smooth it over your hair. It tames flyaways, adds a clean shine, and makes you look instantly more polished. You can also run a fingertip through your eyebrows to hold them in place. They'll look fuller and sharper all day. Number 4. Skin glow boost. Mix a drop of Vaseline with your daily moisturizer and apply it to your cheekbones and forehead. It locks in hydration and gives a fresh, healthy look that hits differently in sunlight or camera light. You'll look more awake, more confident, and yeah, more attractive. Number 5. Fragrance lock. Before applying your cologne, rub a tiny bit of Vaseline on your pulse points, neck, wrists, behind your ears. The Vaseline traps scent molecules and slows down how fast they evaporate. Your fragrance lasts twice as long and smells stronger all day. Number 7. Rough hands. Rough hands kill first impressions. Rub Vaseline on your cuticles before bed or after washing your hands. Within a week, they'll look softer, cleaner, and well-kept. It's small, but people notice, trust me. 7 Vaseline hacks that can level up your looks overnight. You don't need expensive products or filters, just a few smart tricks. Try 2 of these tonight and tell me in the comments which one worked fastest for you. If this helped, subscribe and like the video.